Hello, math lovers. I welcome you again to my class. We are going to look at differentiation of functions using the power rule. So, when a function is giving us f of s equal to s to the power n, by indices, s represents the base and n denotes the exponent. So, to find the derivative of a given function, such as dy over ds or f prime of s, will give us n s raised to the power n minus 1. It means, first of all, you have to bring the n, that is the exponent, in front of the s, but the n will multiply the s. Okay, then you subtract 1 from the exponent. So let's take these few examples. Example 1. Find the derivative of a function f of s equal to s to the power 6. So I have f of s equal to s to the power 6. So to find the derivative of this function, such as f prime of x, will give us, the rule is you bring the exponent to the front of the variable x. So 6, then you bring the variable, then you subtract 1 from the exponent. So 6 minus 1. So this implies that our derivative of s becomes 6s to the power 5. Because when you deduct 1 from 6, you have 5. And this is the answer. Example 2. Find the derivative of the function f of s equal to 2s to the power 5. So f prime of x, that is the derivative, can also be equal to dy over ds. And that is the exponent times the coefficient here becomes 10. Then you subtract 1 from the original exponent. So 5 minus 1 will give us 4. Become x to the power 4. Example 3. I have y equal to s to the power 4 plus 2s to the power 3. S 4 plus 2 s to the power 3. So the derivative of the function, that is dy over dx, will give us 4, because you have to bring the exponents in front of the variable, and if you have any number in front of the variable, then you multiply, but there is an invisible 1 here, so the 4 times the 1 will give us the 4 x. So you have subtract 1 from the exponent, so 4 minus 1 will give us 3 plus 3, that is exponent, times the coefficient, making 6 x. Then you subtract 1 from 3, making 2. So the derivative of this function is this. Now the last one, find the derivative of the function f of s equal to s to the power 8 minus 4s to the power 2 plus 9. Solve for this and drop the answer in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more math content. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.